This video presentation is all about to understand the arithmetic sequence.
Hi, good day. Our discussion for today is all about arithmetic sequence. Kanina, diniscuss ko yung geometric sequence. Kung nanonood kayo dito at hindi nyo pa napanood yung geometric sequence, skip nyo na to, muna to, at pumunta kayo dun sa kabila, video ko, para mapanood nyo muna yung geometric sequence bago tong arithmetic sequence, para malaman nyo kung ano ang geometric sequence. Okay? Today, arithmetic sequence yung topic natin. Did you have anything understanding o meron ba kayo nalalaman about sa geometric sequence? Arithmetic sequence, sorry. Okay, kung wala pa or meron man, okay, huwag nyo muna ilipat, makinig kayo para meron kayong matutunan. Arithmetic sequence. Okay. In arithmetic sequence, the difference between consecutive term is always the same. So always remember that the consecutive term is always the same. They're different. For example, we have the example sequence 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. It's arithmetic sequence because the difference in consecutive term is always the same. Because their consecutive term is positive 2. To get the another term, we should add 2 for plus this out for to get our another term. For example, we have the 3, 5, 7, 9. Because their consecutive term is positive 2. Always the same. That's arithmetic sequence. For 3 plus 2 equals 5, tsaka 5 plus 7 ay 2 plus 7 ay 2 plus 5 equals 7, and 7 plus 2 equals 9. Siguro, pagkuan din natin, 9 plus 2 equals 11. That's it. Okay? The sequence 21, 16, 11, and 6 is arithmetic as well because the difference between consecutive term is always 5. Negative 5. No? Kahit mag-positive pa yan o negative yan. Basta pareho lang yung consecutive term nila or ratio nila na ginagamit. Magiging arithmetic sequence yan. Kagaya ng kanina, 2 yung positive 2 yung kanina. At dito naman, negative 5. Kahit pa pabalian ng counting, basta pareha lang yung consecutive term nila, magiging arithmetic sequence yan. So, tulad nito. This one. Okay. 21 minus 5 equals 16, at saka 16 minus 5 equals 11, 11 minus 5 equals 6. Next naman. The sequence 1, 2, 4, 8 is not arithmetic. Nga naman. Because, ang kanilang common consecutive term is not the same. Magiging, hindi siya matatawag na arithmetic. Okay, kasi hindi yung katulad yung mga consecutive term nila. Diba kanina pag sinabing arithmetic sequence, dapat katulad yung consecutive term nila. So, katulad dito, 1 plus 1 equals 2. Yes, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Correct naman. 4 plus 4 equals 8. Tama naman yun. Kaya lang, yung consecutive term na hinahanap natin na magiging arithmetic ang isang numbers or mga numbers. Okay? Another? Okay. Now, the common difference. We will discuss the common difference. Alam niyo naman yun kung paano kunin yung arithmetic sequence dahil sa kanyang consecutive term. Now, the common difference of an arithmetic sequence is the constant difference between consecutive terms. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, and nagbigay na rin ako ng examples, no? Ulitin natin para mas maunawaan. The common difference of 10, 21, 32, 43 is 11. Kakainin. The common difference of first yung for example natin is positive 2. Dito naman, positive 11. Because 10 plus 11 equals 21, 21 plus 11 equals 32, and 32 plus 11 equals 43. So that can be called arithmetic sequence. We have our formula to solve our arithmetic sequence. Our formula is an equals a1 plus n minus 1 in d, which are our an is the nth term of the sequence, our a1 is our first term, our n is our nth term, and our d is our common difference. So let's have an example for us to know how to solve. Okay, our first example, we have find the 10th term of the arithmetic sequence, 10, 21, 32, and so on. Hinahanap natin yung 10th term. So we have our formula. Ito yon. Ito yung formula natin. Ang una natin gawin, hahanapin natin ang an natin, which is our nth term. Our nth term sa ating given na question is 10. So we have our 10 here. Then our a1, our first term, is also 10. This one. We have our a1. And our n, is the number of any number, is 10 because that is our nth term, 10. And our common difference, which is 11 because 10 plus 11 equals 21. Okay, so let's make the solve now. Okay, our first to do is to put our A10, En, our A1, our any number minus to our 1 and our common difference. So, first to do is need to minus our any number to 1. So, 10 minus 1 equals 9. So, we have the answer of 9. We should bring down our first term and then bring down then also our difference, common difference. So, next to do is we need to multiply our any number and our common difference, which is the difference number, which is 9 times 11. 9 times 11 equals 99. So, we have our 99 here. Okay. And then, ang next to do is we need to plus our first term to our 99 results kanina sa pag-multiply natin sa ating any term at sa common difference natin. So, 10 plus 99, the result will be 109. So, that is our 10th term. Ganun lang po paghanap sa 10th term. Sige, another example po tayo para may matutunan po, ha? Sige. Find the 5th term of the arithmetic sequence. 15, 20, at 25. Kanina. Yung ginamit natin na common difference natin. Consecutive term natin. Arithmetic sequence ba siya? Yes, correct. Arithmetic sequence siya. Kasi nagiging the same yung pag-a-add natin sa ating consecutive term natin sa pag-a-add natin. So, next, which our EN is 50. Okay, that's 50th term. And our first term is 15. So, we have the 15. And our N or any number is 50 because that is our nth term. And our common difference is 5 or difference common. Ganon. Is 5. So now, let's put it into our formula form. Okay, 50, we have our EN. 15 is our A1. 50 is our any number. Minus the 1. And then our common difference is 5. And then, we should do the subtraction. So, we should subtract 50 minus 1 equals 49. So, we have our 49. And then, we should put our 15, bring down our 15, our A1, and our common difference also. And next to do is to multiply our any number to our common difference. 49 times 5 equals 245. Then, we need to we need to plus our first term to the result of our any number and our difference number, which is 15 plus 245, that is 260. So, our 50th term is 260. So, that's it for the example of how to find the nth term of our arithmetic sequence. Ngayon naman, doon tayo, let's proceed for the arithmetic series. Kanina, hinahanap natin yung nth term. Ngayon, for this time, hahanapin natin yung sum of the first nth term in the arithmetic sequence. We have a formula. Our formula is this one. Fn equals to n divided 2 multiply with our A1 plus AN. Okay. Okay, which is our Sn is the sum of the term, our A1 is the first term, and our En is the nth term. Ganun lang yung formula na gagamitin natin. O sige, let's have an example para mas malaman nyo, ha. Okay, our first example is find the sum of the 10th term of the 2, 14, 26. No, makinig kayo. Yung iba yung kasi yung hinahanap ang nth term at iba yung hinahanap din ang sum na ating nth term. Okay. First, we need to find muna ang ating nth term, no? Yun ang ating uunahin. Ito muna na formula ang gagamitin natin. Ito na yun. Okay. Ito muna. Hanapin muna natin yung nth term natin. At saka, ang ating En is 10th term. So, meron na tayong 10. Ang ating first term naman is 2. Ito, yung 2. Ang ating N, which is our nth term ulit, is 10. Then, ang minus 2, 1 na siya. Then our D is the common difference. Nakulang yung D dito. May dito ha, may dito. May D yan. Nakulang siya, sorry. Then, next to do is to subtract the 10. Minus 1 equals 9. Then, bring down our first term and our different commons. Ito na. Yan na. And then, next to do is to multiply our any number and to our difference number, which is 9 times 12 equals 108. Then, add the 108 to our first term, which is 2. 2 plus 108 equals 110. So, we get the 10th term of the question, the sum of 10th term. So, we have the 10th term is 110. Now, let's proceed to our Sn formula to find our sum of the 10th term. So, Sn, this is the formula, Sn of equals n or divide 2, An plus A1 plus An. So, need to do is to find our Sn. Our Sn is 10. 10 to ha, 10 to, hindi ko nalagay. 10 to, yan, 10. Sn natin 10. And then, ang ating N naman is 10 also. Anya, divide by 2, that will be 5, our result. 10 divided 2 is 5. Then, our E1 naman, first term natin is 2, nandito, 2. And then, plus to our, the result of our nth term. That is our 110. Yes, that is. So, we need to plus that. 2 plus 110 equals 112. So, 5, then next to do is to get our SN or our arithmetic series. We need to do is to times 5 times 112. So, 5 times 112, the result will be 560. So, that's thing to do to get our SN or arithmetic series. Oh, another example para may malalaman pa. Oh, sige. Find the sum of the first term, 12th term of 6, 10, 14. So, all we need to do is to find our EN, our first term, our N, and our common difference. Then, our EN is 12. Our A1, first term is 6. Plus to our any number 12, which is our nth term, minus to our 1. And then, our common difference is 4. Because 6 plus 4 equals 10. Okay, ganun. Then, see, we need to minus this 1. So, 11 yung result niya. Saka bring down yung 6 saka 4 natin. And next thing to do is multiply this 1. 11 times 4 is 44. So, that's it. So, next to do is to add that ang two numbers na nabili. 6 plus 44 equals 50. So, that is our next term, 50. 12 term had got the next term of 50. So, next, we should proceed to our SN, arithmetic series natin. Kung ano ang kanyang resulta. So, this one, our SN is 12 yan, ha? 12 yan. 12 yan ang ating SN. Tsaka naman, equals to our N is 12. Divide by our 2, the result will be 6. So, 12 divided 2 is 6. Yan. And then, our first term is 6. Nandito, first term natin, lagay natin dito 6. First term yan, ha? Ito. And then, plus to our N. En, our next term is 50. Because that is the result of our En there. Here, 50. So, 6 plus 50 equals 56. Now, we should multiply our answer of our dito sa pag-divide natin sa ating n at saka 2, and then should multiply it to the result of the first term at saka en. So 6 multiply 6 times 56 equals 336. Okay. Ganyan kung kukunin natin ang is-n. At ganun din kung kukunin natin yung is-n. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell to form videos, information, learning, o kahit ano pa. And that is see you for my next video. Paalam!